and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm currently packing for a trip that Jake and I are taking here soon. We're going to Europe for 10 days and we're not taking suitcases. We are taking travel backpacks. So we purchased these last February. We went to Europe for about 7 days and we took only our backpacks and it was great. We didn't have to worry about checking bags. We could check out of our hotel and still walk around the city for the day before going to our next destination because we didn't have to worry about lugging a suitcase around the city for the day. And it also has helped me from overpacking because I am the queen of overpacking for trips. So it's actually been a really great purchase, but I figured I would film it for you guys and show you guys how I pack for 10 days for a Europe trip, which by the way, it's going to be freezing. It's going to be, I think, most of the places we're going, high of 32 and low in the teens, which from being from Florida, that's cold. So it was a little bit of a challenge because you don't want to overpack, but you also want to make sure you have enough warm clothes. So I think I managed to figure it out and I did not overpack. So if you guys want to see how I pack for our trip to Europe, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is everything that I'm taking. I have 5 long sleeve t-shirts, 3 sweaters, 4 pairs of bottoms, 2 jeans and 2 leggings, as well as my giant winter jacket, the boots that I'm taking, a few toiletry bags, 2 pairs of gloves, and a satchel. So let's just get started. So when it comes to backpacking, packing cubes are gonna be your best friend. They zip up to be very compressed to hold all of your clothes. So I have 3. I have a bigger one, a medium-sized one, and a small one. I've already put my undergarments, my socks, all of that into this one right here. And I'm taking 5 pairs of big, thick wool socks to wear underneath my boots. So we're gonna start with the big one. So I'm taking 5 long sleeve t-shirts. And a little trick that I have learned is if you open them all up and stack them on top of each other and then fold them into each other to make them like a giant rectangle. And instead of having 5 individually rolled t-shirts, you have them all rolled into one big roll. And then this is the shirt that I'm actually going to wear on the plane. It's a lightweight, long sweater, so I'm going to wear that because I don't feel like I'm going to get too hot on the plane wearing that. These sweaters, which get a little bit bulkier, so a little tip and trick. If you fold the bottom up like so, then do the same thing, fold it into each other, make it like a rectangle. You can actually take where you folded it, wrap it around, and it makes it like a little burrito. So you know it's not going to come unrolled or in the bag. So this is a big sweater. It's a long, flowy sweater that's got kind of like the same thing, like a slouchy turtleneck top. I'm going to wear this when we go out to a nicer dinner. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the other one. And wrap that around, and I have my little sweater burrito. Now, trying to fit these into the little cubes is like a game of Tetris. And there you got it. 5 long sleeve t-shirts and 2 big sweaters rolled up into this cube. And then I'm going to take the medium size one, and I've got 3 pairs of leggings and 2 pairs of jeans. I am going to be wearing 1 pair of leggings on the plane, so I'm going to set that to the side. So we're packing 2 pairs of leggings and 2 pairs of jeans. And same thing with these, just make them into a rectangle and roll them. So since the jeans are a little bit bigger and not as flexible as the leggings. I'm going to put those in first, and then the leggings around. So we have our sweaters, t-shirts, our jeans and leggings, and then like I said, with this small one, I've already put 5 pairs of wool socks in here, as well as my underwear. Okay, so this is what the backpack looks like all opened up. The other thing I really like about this backpack is the fact that it opens up completely, so you can see everything inside of it, just like a suitcase. So when it comes to packing clothes, I always start with the biggest packing cube. And then taking my big winter jacket, instead of rolling it, I'm just going to fold it up so that way it lays flat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and zip that part up. And then it's got a little small pocket up at the front, which is where I'm going to put my toiletries bag that I have to pull out for security, my liquids bag. And then the next pocket, so it goes all the way down, so you've got this whole area. I've got this little mesh area that zips up that I can put stuff in, and then I've got the pocket on the inside that I can put stuff in as well. And then I can close it up. I'm taking this satchel with me because it is flat, so it'll fit in my backpack easily while we're traveling. But then when we get to where we're going and my backpack is at our hotel and we're walking around the city, I can carry this around, and because it is so flat, I can put it on the inside of my jacket, zip up my jacket so it is secured. And then right above that, I'm going to put my hand warmers and my 2 pairs of gloves that I'm taking. And then this pocket right here, I could slide the book that I'm taking down into it and zip it up. Then my makeup bag. All of the makeup that I'm taking, which I'm not taking a lot, I'm just taking the basics to do a basic everyday makeup look. And then in this little pouch is going to be our travel toothbrushes, my contacts, some hair clips and hair ties with some bobby pins, as well as this little container that is meant to hold Q-tips. So I put some Q-tips in the bottom, and then I took the little cotton pads that I use to take my eye makeup off. I cut those in half, put those down in there, and they fit perfectly. So then on top of that is going to go my airplane bag. So this bag is going to have my headphones and my eye mask, some lady products. It also has my tissues, any medicine that we might need, my chapstick, some hand sanitizer, some lotion, and it's also going to hold this little small wallet that I got from Kate Spade. It's tiny, it holds just a couple cards, and that's going to fit right down in this little pocket. And then it's got these clips that strap over the front that make it even more compact, but it also is a security measure because there's no way to unzip the backpack when those are clipped. So that's nice for when we're walking around the city. I know that nobody can get into my backpack. So here is the backpack, completely full with everything that I'm taking on our trip. And like I said, when we're walking around, I'm going to have the straps out. But for now, I'm keeping those tucked in. And I'm going to carry it by this handle or by the strap. And you know, it's no bigger than like a weekend duffel bag, so, and it's very lightweight, so it's perfect for traveling. Isn't it just the prettiest color? This is the Osprey brand travel backpacks. There's so many out there. Honestly, I don't even remember like exactly which size this is. They have multiple sizes. I want to say this was maybe the medium size one. There was a smaller one and then one larger. So I think the larger one comes with a day pack, which is like an extra bag that like hooks onto it. Jake and I decided on this one because if we did have the day pack and let's say we were flying like a budget airline that is super strict about the size of your bag, we didn't want to run into any issues there. So this size has worked out great. Like I said, I mean, I'm going on a 10-day trip and I was able to pack everything in here. So it has been great for us so far. Yeah, and I'm loving it. And I love the color. Is it not just the prettiest color? Okay, and then the two things that were not packed in the bag that I had laying out was my blanket scarf, which is the only scarf that I am taking on the trip because it is so big and so warm and cozy, and I can wear it so many different ways, as well as wearing it as a shawl. So I'm gonna wear it like so for the plane ride because then I can wear it as a blanket, I can use it as a pillow, and it's one less thing I have to pack. So I'm just gonna wear this. And the only other thing I'm taking are these boots. So these are super comfy. I wore them last year when we went in February. I believe I got these, I wanna say at Target, but they come right above my ankle and I can either zip them up and wear them high like this, or super cute, they fold over and clip, so I can wear them like that if I want to. That's what I'm planning on doing, is I'm only taking these, so I'm obviously going to wear these for the plane ride. Alright guys, so that is it. That's going to do it for my Europe backpacking trip video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe got some inspiration to try backpacking for your next trip. I know it kind of sounds intimidating and scary, but like I said, it just gives us so much freedom, where we're not having to be dragged down with suitcases and extra bags and extra luggage and, you know, just extra clothes, since like I said, I'm the queen of overpacking. So it's just given us a lot of freedom to be able to go and travel and do as many things as we possibly can without being restricted. So like I said, it was a great purchase. I'm so happy that we did it, and I can't wait to keep on backpacking our trips in the future. So I will be sure to film those from here on out. I don't know if I said where we're going. We're going to Berlin, Budapest, and Prague. So we're going to 3 different countries, which I'm super excited about. 3 countries I get to check off of my bucket list. So it'll be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!